Hello learners. So in previous video we had done the numericals related to income determination, but mainly we had done numericals related to marginal propensity to consume, marginal propensity to save, multiplier, and we had also done some part in which we had to give the differences between the status of marginal propensity to consume and multiplier, and what is the relation between MPC and multiplier and MPS and multiplier. So now we'll be doing consumption function related numericals. They are related to consumption function and saving function. We have already done the equations related to consumption function and saving function, and we'll be doing more numericals related to it. So I hope that you will be able to understand that, and please look very carefully, and I'll be sharing this in description section also, so you can see the questions and you can understand it very well. See, you are seeing that in the first question it is written that there is a consumption function. What is consumption function? It is a kind of linear equation actually. I had already told you, which can be plotted on a graph. So given consumption function C is equal to 100 plus 0.7y. So it is C is equal to 100 plus 0.75y. Now learners, you know that 100 is actually what? It is autonomous consumption. And what is autonomous consumption? Autonomous consumption is the consumption which is made even if our income level is 0. And 0.75, now 0.75 is actually the value of MPC, because we had done this formula. C is equal to A plus BY. A was autonomous consumption, B was MPC, and it was multiplied by Y. Y is income, where C is a consumption expenditure and Y is national income, and investment expenditure is rupees 1000. Now we have to calculate two things. Two things which you have to calculate is equilibrium level of national income. Now the economy is in equilibrium. When economy is in equilibrium, then investment is equal to saving. Consumption expenditure at equilibrium level, we also have to find consumption expenditure at equilibrium level. At equilibrium level, consumption expenditure is almost same in both saving function as well as in consumption function, because it is common actually. Then you can see that at equilibrium level of income, we have given I is equal to S. That means investment is equal to saving. Investment is equal to saving. See, it is written at equilibrium level of income. So what we have done is we have changed the consumption. See, you can, what you have to do is just compare this. You can compare this saving equation and you can compare consumption equation. So when you will compare consumption equation and saving equation, you will find that autonomous consumption is taken as negative in saving function. Why it is taken? Because no income is there, still we are consuming. That means when we do not have any income and we are consuming, that means we are borrowing. That is negative saving. So it is negative saving. That is why we have taken minus 100 and 0.75. It is taken 0.75 over here. But here we have taken 0.25. This is MPS. In saving function, we take MPS. We do not take MPC. So MPS will be 1 minus 0.75. That means it will be 0.25. Y. Okay. So saving function, like consumption function, is A plus BY. But saving function is different. Saving function is minus A plus 1 minus B. Y. Okay. I think I should write it so that you can compare and you can see also. See, C is equal to consumption function. We are telling consumption function. Consumption function is equal to A plus BY. Whereas saving function, same. If saving function we are calculating, then it becomes minus A plus 1 minus B Y. Okay. So see, now you can see that this consumption function, these values are there according to this consumption function, and these values are there according to this consumption function. The autonomous consumption will remain same. 1 minus B we have done, that is why it has come to 0.25 and it is 5. I hope that you have understood it. Now see, when we are calculating this, then we find that saving is equal to 1000 because they have said that investment expenditure is rupees 1000. They have given this investment expenditure is rupees 1000. You can see here. So when investment expenditure is rupees 1000, that means investment is equal to saving. We have given this reference over here. That is why we can take, in place of saving, we can take investment expenditure. So 1000 is equal to minus 100 plus 0.25y, and then 0.25y is equal to 1000 plus 100 because they are changing the places. RHS to LHS and LHS to RHS, left right hand side to left hand side and left hand side to right hand side. And then we see that y has come to be y is equal to 1100 divided by 0.25, which has come to 4400. Okay, when we divide it by 0.25, then it becomes 4400. So the equilibrium level of income, national income, is 4400. Now see the next question. They have asked consumption expenditure at equilibrium level. Now we'll take this consumption function equation again. And consumption function equation was saying C is equal to 100 plus 0.75y. What we have to do is, in place of y, we have to just take 4400 because 4400 we have already found. So when we take 4400, then we get the answer 3400. So consumption is 3400. So 4400 is income, 3400 is consumption. That means the saving is 1000. Okay. So in this way you can find. See the next question. These questions are very important. They can come in 3 marks also and 5 marks also. It depends. The saving function of economy. Now again the saving function is given minus 200. So 200 is autonomous consumption. You already know it has been taken as negative in there. And plus 0.25 by 0.25 is MPS, because in saving function we take MPS and in consumption function we take MPC. This you have to remember. The economy is in equilibrium when income is equal to 2000. Now see, investment expenditure you have to find at equilibrium level of income, and you know that investment is equal to saving at equilibrium level of income. Autonomous consumption you have to find, but I don't think that you need to find autonomous consumption. It is already visible. So no calculation is required. Investment expenditure you have to find investment multiplier, sorry, K, value of K you will find. So see how you will find investment expenditure, because you will again write, because in equilibrium I is equal to S, investment is equal to saving. So what we'll do is S is equal to minus 200 plus 0.25y, and we are given that equilibrium level of income is equal to 2000. We are already given this. So when we are given this, what we'll do, in place of y, we are going to use 2000, and that will be multiplied to the value of MPS. Minus 200 plus 0.25 into 2000, and this will come to 300. Now saving has come to 300. Okay. Autonomous consumption, I had already told you that you don't need to calculate because it is already given over here. From here you can see that 200 is autonomous consumption. And then you have to find investment multiplier. So K is equal to 1 upon MPS. MPS is already given 0.25. So what you will do is you will divide 1 upon 0.25, which is equal to 4. So this will be the value of K, which you have found with the help of MPS. Okay. So this is very easy question. Next we'll again see one more question. From the following data about an economy, calculates equilibrium level of income. So see, whenever the consumption function question is going to come, they will be relating it with the equilibrium level of economy. Marginal propensity to consume, they have given 0.5. So when marginal propensity to consume is given 0.5, marginal propensity to save is also 0.5, because you'll be deducting it from 1. 1 minus 0.5 is always 0.5. Autonomous consumption expenditure 300 they are giving. Investment expenditure they are giving 600, and you have to calculate equilibrium level of income. So for calculating that you will take S is equal to minus 300 because autonomous consumption is given, and then MPS is also given 0.5 and Y. Now investment expenditure is given 6,000, And as you know that in the equilibrium level of income, the investment is equal to saving. So what you will do is, instead of saving, you can take investment expenditure 6,000 is equal to minus 300, because in saving function we take autonomous consumption as negative, minus 300 plus 0.5 y, because I told you that if MPC is 0.5, then MPS will be 0.5 y. Now 0.5 y is equal to 6,000, because we have changed the places. We have gone from left hand side to right hand side and right hand side to left hand side. We have got 6,300. So 6,300 divided by 0.5 comes to 12,200. Okay. So 12,200. So this is our equilibrium level of income. I hope that you have understood. I'll be sharing these questions as well as solutions in the description section. And again, I advise you that what you can do is, you just note down the question, try to solve it, and when you will come to know that, okay, this is you are not able to solve, or you are facing some problem, then again you can see the description section, or again you can see the video, and then you can understand the solution of the problem also. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and please share the link to your friends and classmates and whosoever who is studying economics, so that they can take benefit of it. And if you have any problem, please share your doubts in the comment section. I'll be answering those doubts also. So thanks a lot. Subscribe my channel.